हेलो व्हाट्सअप एभ्रिवान एन्ड वेलकम ब्याक टु माई च्यानल। सबैजना सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ होला अनि म पनि एकदमै सन्चै छु। अनि हामीले अहिले भ्लग स्टार्ट गरिरहेको छौँ रातिको 9 बजे। We are at the fucking new road and heading towards the fucking swim around my home. You can see a beautiful lady around me and uncle with a lovely cap and the mask. Okay, so you can see the OP in the set. One guy is walking like a talking. Okay, we are heading towards the home and you can see the lovely new road area with the clean and clear vibes. But if you come here in the morning and the afternoon, you can see the very busy road with busy people. Everyone in the rush, working. Everyone in the mind, there is a money. Okay, everyone is running behind the money. Yeah, and we are also running behind the money. That's a sad moment for us because without money, like this, you cannot get the ड्याउ क्या भाइ। पैसा भएन भने ड्याउ पनि आउँदैन हो क्या भन्न। खानै बनाउँदैन त आफूले पैसा भएन भने कसरी ड्याउमा जब खाइन्छ पेट भरिन्छ। अब पैसा भएन भने त ग्यास्ट्रिकको ड्याउ गरे मात्र हो यार। गाह्रो जिन्दगीमा आफूले यति गाह्रो छ, यति तनाव छ, यति स्ट्रगल छ नि साथीहरू। त्यो आफूले लास्ट यस्तै छ क्या। त्यसै मैले बनाएको होइन क्या, यस्तै रहेछ जिन्दगी। भुँडी सुन्नेको तलतिर दुईवटा झुन्डेको भनेर त्यो डाइलग मैले त्यत्तिकै बनाएन क्या। आफूले हजारवटा साइन्टिस्टहरूसँग कुराकानी गरेर मजाले रिसर्च गरेर होइन सत्य चाहिँ के हो त भन्ने सबैबाट प्रुभ ओके भनेर सबैले सिग्नेचर गरिसकेपछि चाहिँ बल्ल त्यो डाइलगलाई मैले छापेको हो नि त टी सर्टमा। नभए त्यतिकै हावा चाहेको त छाप्दिनँ नि त म भन्ने यार होइन। यत्रो एजुकेटेड छु आफूले, सुनमा सुगन्ध छ, बोली हेरेँ त्यस्तै, इङ्ग्लिस हेरेँ आफूले खैरिनी लट्ठ सक्छ त भने क्या। बसन्तपुरको माहौल त लभली छ। मलाई हान्न मन लागेको त चिया, तर केही छैन, हान्नु हुँदैन सधैँभरि चिया नहान्नु मलाई। माहौल त लभली छ यार, तर त्यहाँ अब धेरै होइन। एकछिन बस्ने बित्तिकै महानगरले आफूले खेदाउँछ, यहाँबाट बस्न दिँदैन नि। पहिला इनड्राइभ गरेर राति 12 बजे 1 बजेतिर म चिया खान आइरहेको हुन्थेँ कि बस्नै नदिने भने भाइ यार, चिया खान पनि नदिने के, चुपो लाएर बस्ने के। अनि सबलाई लखाट्रा हुन्थ्यो। अब प्रायः त राति त ग्रुपै हुन्छ नि त होइन। अब ग्रुप बसेकोहरूलाई त लखाटे ठिक छ, हामी त मलाई राइडर हो भनेर थाहा हुँदै पनि अति पेलिदिने क्या। द्याट्स अ स्याड मोमेन्ट फर अस। ओ या ओके ओ ये चेक इट आउट। यो पसल खुल्लै रहेछ, लभली। चेक इट आउट। ओके अनि टुडे इज अ फ्राइडे एन्ड फ्राइडे नाइट इज अ भेरी लभली एन्ड फकिङ नाइट एट थमेल। सो वी मे गो टु थमेल today, and if you go to Thamel, of course we will upload the lovely vlog, right bro? Lovely. Yeah, but if you don't go to the Thamel, then कोही बात नहीं, मुर्गे का दाँत नहीं। हामी सुत्छौँ त्यसो चाहिँ होइन। Thamel गएन भने त सुत्ने त होइन। आफूले भ्लग त के लिएर आउने रात यार।
This vlog is only speaking English?
Yeah. I think brother, today we have to make English Thamel vlog. Yeah. Lovely girl यार. I think she's from a foreign country यार. Lovely girl, eh? Look there. They are always people, bro.
Couple, yeah.
Always couple, yeah. Why couple are so बेरोजगार in our country, yaar? Huh? Couple, why बेरोजगार, yaar? Why, man? They don't eat, huh? They don't do chalpal. They always sit in the Basantapur top and do nothing, yaar. What the hell, yaar? But कोई बात नहीं. We don't give a fuck about family. Whatever they do, don't give a fuck about. We have to take a left from this side. Yeah.
Lovely strong goal.
I think if you go Thamel tonight, okay, then we have to make vlog in English.
Yeah, only
okay?
English.
Okay. Only English. Yeah. And lovely.
Lovely Chalpal.
Yeah.
We only go in bike.
No.
Huh?
I think no bike. Why to give chalpal?
If this bike, then chalpal.
No. Bike don't chalpal, guy. Myself is a chalpal guy. You know.
Bike also chalpal.
No.
Too much crazy.
No. Bike did not chalpal. I am the one who chalpal. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't give a fuck about it. I take scooter, I ride bike, or I ride car, or anywhere, and I don't fuck up shit.
Yeah.
But I must be present, bro. Yeah. If I don't speak, if I don't present in the camera, then my viewer will fuck that vlog. Okay. So first of all, I want to thank every viewer because we have completed 87k fucking subscriber, bro.
Yeah, lot.
That's not a joke for me. It was very difficult to reach 87k subscriber. Okay, now we have just now we just have 13k subscriber remain to reach 100k. Wow, lovely, what a lovely. So that's why we'll make vlog, OP vlog, and reach 100k soon. And in 100k we will enjoy very much. We will actually help people also. Okay, we will all drink and not say no to drink and drive, but we will drink at home, we will chill, we will enjoy, and we will cry, we will be emotional. Okay, everything. But first of all, we have to reach 100k subscriber. Okay, so just 13k remaining here, brother.
Yeah.
I think 13k is easy
Easy.
if you make continue vlog. Okay, if you don't make continue vlog, then 13k is too much difficult.
1 month target.
Yeah. If we work regularly for 1 month, easy 13k, ma'am. I think now this is a one way. We have to take left. But
One way going
no.
risky, today
No.
We go vlog.
Yeah.
Risky.
No. Not risky. Okay. We don't risk. Okay. We go from this side. Okay. Not risky. We don't make chapri vlog. Okay. We make calm and composed vlog because family member also watching my vlog.
Wow.
Father, mother, son, daughter, everyone sitting together
Yeah.
and having a quality time by watching my vlog. Okay, then we must entertain them, we must respect them. Okay, no worries. Zebra crossing, then we give the priority. If no zebra crossing, we will the rocket ride like this.
Yeah, lovely rocket.
Okay, it's time for the rocket ride. And next thing, Satheru. Oh no. Next thing, friends, we are recording from new mic. Okay, I exchanged. I replaced my mic today because for around 2 to 3 year we used Comica brand mic, and that mic was pretty good, but not Sunma Sugandha. But today I replaced my mic,
Yeah.
which I bought in 1650 rupees. Okay, I think the quality is quite good. Please you guys comment. Okay, how is the quality of our new mic? Okay, bro. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. No worries. Okay, no worries. Let's go. I think from today we make vlog only in English.
Darling.
That will be very good idea.
Yeah. Our English is very, very good.
Yeah. Not
Listen.
so good, but improving. Okay.
Our English, yeah.
My English is not so good, but when a Khairini listen my English,
Yeah.
she will be impressed.
Yeah.
That's enough. That's very enough. And black brother is behind us.
Oh,
Okay,
black brother.
you can see black brother here over here. Two niggas. Look here. Two niggas are sitting together. Okay. Lovely ride. Okay. Oh no. Oh yeah. Check it out. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Now it's time for a peace ride. Ride peacefully. And look here, two niggas watching us. Oh my lord. Hey, what's wrong with you, bro? Hey, what's wrong, bro? What? Not piece of toilet. Tell in English, bro.
Only English.
English. Oh, shoes. Please give. Wait. Give shoes, bro. ए अर्को पनि झऱ्यो हो ए अर्को त कहाँ पुगेछ त ओके सिट डाउन ब्रदर
Okay. Brother,
यस
here in English, two broken said viewers.
No.
Viewers say they are English too broken.
Viewers say anything, brother. I don't give a care. But
Yeah.
if I care, then I love my viewer. Okay? Whatever they say, I love it. Okay? You understand? Viewer sometimes say your English is not English. Your English is Angrezi. They shall say like that.
Yeah.
But I never mind because they are my supporter. Okay? Sometimes they can make fun of me, but every time they support me. If they watch my video, then only they know about my English good or bad. If they don't watch, then how they know? Okay? So there are some haters also who say मेरो लौडा जस्तो English. Some say like that. For them, I want to say, come, I will convert. Let's do conversation for 1 hour and by making vlog,
Yeah.
and let's see how much they can speak, bro. It is very difficult. It is very easy to bark like this,
Bark, yeah.
but
Like
it is
dog.
very difficult to do. Okay,
Yeah, I know.
everyone will bark, but to do it's very difficult. Main thing, you need a confident. Okay, if you don't have confident, then you will never success in your life. So people know me as a second name of a confident. Confident ko dosra naam.
Yeah.
People know me like that, and that's enough. I don't care about my English.
Checking, dear.
No, they're not checking.
Checking. Guma. Go, look. Turn. But what?
Where is checking here? I'm not seeing here, bro.
Checking.
Guys, we are not running from the checking, okay? Why we are running? Because I haven't carry my license and blue book,
Yeah.
and they may lang us, and we don't want to be in a lang. Okay? Some people may guess, oh, today this boy is drunk and making English vlog. No, we are not drunk, okay?
Yeah, we
We
are
are
not
very
drunk.
fresh. फ्रेसमै बनाएको हो नि मामफुले कहाँको ड्रङ्क हुन्छ अब यसरी इङ्ग्लिस बोलिसकेपछि मान्छेले सोध्छ नि त यो मान्छेले झ्यापमा भ्लग बनाएको त्यस्तो होइन यार झ्यापमा झन् कस्तो प्रोफेसनल इङ्ग्लिस हान्छु त्यो त हजुरलाई थाहा होला त मैले जति प्रोफेसनल इङ्ग्लिस हान्छु नि एक प्याक हान्दियो भने नि मामफुले खैरेले बुझ्दैन क्या त्यो लेभलको हानिदिन्छ क्या एक्सेन्ट तर फ्रेसमा त यतिको ठिकै छ यु हेभ टु एडजस्ट ओके दिस पुलिस स्टेसन वाज बर्न्ट भेरी ब्याडली during the Gen Z Andolan, yes?
Gen Z protest.
And many Qaidi ran away from here.
Escape.
Escape away from the jail,
Yeah.
custody, and they maybe may do very chill.
Chill.
Okay, it's time for the rocky ride, okay? Okay, check, mic check. Whoa. Dog barking, okay? Dog are very dangerous, sometimes they attack.
You are a hottie hater. You are a hater. Bark.
Oh my god, too much pollution! What the fuck, yaar, Kathmandu city? Look, oh my dusty, oh, what the dusty road, wow, what the fuck, oh, too much. My eye become very dusty, I can't see properly. Oh my lord, oh, like this, okay, this is the skill. Next level skill, I don't show anywhere, but when in need, I show my skill. Next level skill, okay. Okay guys, we are almost reaching towards Swayambutsak, okay, and we'll go to the home and have some dinner with the, oh my lord, oh yeah, slowly, okay. We have to understand the rider in front of us, how he rides. According to him, we have to also ride. If you don't ride according to him, then we may crash, and if we crash, then we'll like, oh no shit, Moji, ke bhayo yesto lamo, like that reaction, okay. I think there is also traffic, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, checking. Yeah, checking. Oh my lord, I think they already informed. Why today too much checking, yaar? Oh. Huh? I think
Let's go.
no. In my point of view,
No checking.
no. In this way, there is 100% checking because they already informed that. Oh, चारजना बुङ्गाहरू भागे मुझेहरूलाई समात दे इन्फर्म लाइक द्याट एन्ड आई थिङ्क मेनी ट्राफिक आर स्ट्यान्ड बाई देयर मेबी दे आर हाइडिङ एन्ड दे विल क्याच लाइक च्याप्पै मामफली झ्याप्पै आयो बाहुन्दाई लाइक द्याट इन्ट्री
No.
Oh, coming. Hey, come. What? That guy, oh my lord.
Was डर थिरुवा
Why? Let's go, bro. Come on, nigga.
This side depending.
What?
This side.
Let's go slowly. नो होइन म चाहिँ समातेछ भने नि समातोस् न त अझ ठुलो इस्यु भएन घर गएर म चाहिँ लाइसेन्स बुक ल्याइन्छ अब त सोइमुचोक त नजिक आइसक्यो यहाँ समाते त केही पनि फरक पर्दैन थियो हामीलाई होइन अब यहाँ समात्यो भने त समाते केही उखाड्दैन के किनकि हाम्रो गल्ती नै केही छैन भन्दा अब लाइसेन्स बुक नबोकेर मात्र हो क्या यसरी अलिकति बेकार ल्याङ गर्ला अब दुःख पाइन्छ नि त घर जाऊ आऊ मामफुली त्यही भएर होइन समातेछ भने नि केही छैन साथीहरू हामीले के चाहिँ गरे मामफुली इजी हो त घर गएर ल्याइन्छ नि त अब त्यहाँ त घर त नजिक हो Okay, from this way, okay?
Let's go.
Okay, finally we are at the Karkhana Chowk. Okay, now we have to cross road. From this way, okay? Always cross road from this way. Very nice sequoia smell, wow.
No, Sekwa.
Smell coming, bro. Very tasty smell of sequoia. I think here maybe also mama. I think they will give us surprise. Here is also, oh, why today is so much tight? Kathmandu Valley, huh? Oh my lord, too much tight today. I think they are checking mapas, eh? Yes? Look here, two police van in Soimuchok. What the hell? Why this city? Yeah, but I think because of Friday everyone will be chill, and chill people ride bike and scooter and the accident, so that's why checking is very important. Okay, now we will reach our home in 2 minutes. I don't know what's the vlog time. Yeah, bro, in my point of view we have to upload this vlog.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Upload.
Yeah, upload. Yeah, don't give a fuck about upload. Okay. Uploading. We don't have to edit this also.
Yeah.
We have to upload raw vlog. Okay. No editing. No sound. No paka puka. No bhaka. No nothing.
Raw vlog.
Yeah. That's raw vlog and lovely voice. No dot bike, bro. This bike. Which bike is this? Yeah? Only sound. Only loud sound.
Lovely bike.
No, not lovely. I think it's a modified bike. Only sound, only big. Other nothing.
Going lovely.
Yeah.
Lovely rider.
Oh, this way also going, rider. Oh my lord, that's a new road and we have to try.
We are almost booking ghar.
Not booking, reaching.
Huh?
Reaching or
We
reach.
are almost reaching house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay guys, this was for today. I think you guys enjoyed a lot, and thank you so much for supporting every time. I love you so much, and everyone, Mamfuli gang and Avinash Vlogs family, you have to support me, and we will reach 100k soon and receive silver play button. Okay. And after that, more hard work, more dedication, and after 100k our target will be 1 million. So we will make next level content after
Next
that.
level, 100k reach, and then
Yeah, content is next level. Too much next level, like a Mr. Beast.
Yeah.
Give away like Mr. Beast by selling home. Okay guys, peace out.